collabed with IB, and then Saudi Arabia has begun construction on its AI data centers with NVIDIA and AMD chips. So they're having a pretty decent morning as a company, if you ask me. You know what I mean?
I see that 1 hour trend. I'm with Kyle there on the cool, the way he said that. It does start from pre-market. Unless Nora's very concerned about that one, I'm probably not either.
I just have a flat top at 169, no?
Yeah, me too. But on the hourly, it does show like a trend line on the hourly, on the algo. But it's from pre-market, so that's why I'm saying like I'm not really paying attention too much of it. I'm looking at it more of a flat top as well instead of a trend.
Hey, buddy. Let me hit that little
What's that
shit.
he calls?
Let me hit that little shit.
Pause.
Would you say, Frank?
Pause.
What's that he calls?
Yeah, that's
Pause.
something.
Let me put it aside.
Tuesday, we should be fine with those.
Yo, bro, you wearing the Ox shirt?
Yeah, the IB on the contract should be spiked a bit, so it should be a good price.
They closed at 1:30, so that I'm not sure how much it's gonna be. Probably like $5 maybe.
I think it's AMD, but I think Tesla's gonna get the run here off the open.
That's what I think too, but that's what I'm afraid of happening here.
I'm not afraid of it because I'm waiting for it.
I got both ready, Nor, so I mean, let me know. It don't matter. I'm with both.
Bro, I'll take both at the same time.
Yo.
Alright, bro, come on.
Yo, bro.
That's crazy, dude.
Nah, this is crazy.
That was insane.
Nah, I'm not even looking at the chat. I have the
What
signal.
level though on Tesla?
What? The candle?
Yeah, what level are you looking at on Tesla?
So if this gets the right momentum here, I like how it's flat here, while the market's kind of slightly red. It's flat. Everything's flat, but Tesla has the upper hand when markets are flat. This is when Tesla has those big days, in my opinion. It's not when the days are green, and it's not when the days are red, because it gets fucked. So we'll see. It's always on the days you least expect it.
Alright, so around 346 more or less.
Yeah, yo, I forgot. Is the 350s gonna be good or are they too expensive? I think they're fine.
I'm pretty recent. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, they're 500. Yeah, they're gonna be 500.
That's what you judging?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the books here just so if I get the right move. Unless we push higher, actually you're right. Technically, if we push higher, it's gonna be expensive. So we'll see. I don't know where we're taking it yet. All right, bro. Here we go.
I think it was, that's why. That's okay.
Nah, shut the fuck up.
Alright, we're. I will not trade AMD if we go straight up here, guys. I am waiting for a red green at this point.
Yeah, I need a red to green as well. I have mine at 94 cents if I do get in on the red to green.
Mine's at 80 cents currently, but like I said, I'm not playing this if we open, just push straight up.
I'm surprised UNH is still like flat. It's just in the same range.
Not enough of a red to green for me.
It happened?
Yeah, it just happened immediately. I'm good off of this, guys. I'll just wait for 170.
Guys, I'm
not
looking at
taking this straight
I'm looking
up.
at 350s on these contracts, guys, for Tesla. Market's
I'm
pushing.
gonna put the Tesla. Yeah. Whatever.
AMD got just clapped off the open. All right, let's see. Can we get some patience here from Tesla, or is that not going to be possible? I'm gonna get in at 346.90 most likely. I'll let you know.
I'm personally waiting for 350 chat.
All right. Chat. You sound like Aiden Ross. Chat.
Chat.
I'm in. 545 is my fill.
And you literally just engulfed that entire wick.
585 already, $6 a contract. Now you can start scaling out here, guys. 348 just broke. Holy, 610 a contract, 615, 620, 630. $100 per contract already, boys and girls. And others. What did I say? Just boys and girls? Oh, and everyone else. That was $100 per contract on that move. Yeah, I'm gonna start scaling here. They had the option to sell $100 per contract. You're still waiting for 350, Frankie?
Yeah, my entry is until the 349.50 area, which is the high it did yesterday, I believe.
Where
Yeah, 349.53.
AMD is coming back for 170. Is that worth switching to?
I was gonna mention it, yeah. It doesn't look good.
Where's your entry be here, Frank? I'm looking at 85 at the moment.
I was thinking 60.
60.
Yeah, after that, yeah, so after that retest, I like 60.
Use all your money, Use all
I have time on, yeah, I feel like I have time on Tesla, but then it does like these candles that are
Once
almost
you hear that
so it's
alert.
like,
I am gonna swap over to Tesla because of this AMD
Oh,
candle.
you made some bread?
Yeah, I made 300.
Nice. All right, guys. Tesla's holding up while the market's falling. I'm gonna plan to add here at the 30-cent level, 348.33. I think we got it in the bag here. I just added. You don't have to add. Don't fuck it up. I'm going for the big one on this one. Oh, market's ripping. Holy Tesla. I need some new highs on these contracts, though, or I'm going to have to... Yo, what did you do, Kevin? Oh, there it goes. Shit. AMD cracked. All right, guys, the high from yesterday on Tesla is 349.53. That's a separate trade that we can take as a group. I think Frankie's going to take that as well, most likely.
yeah, it's gonna be my entry for 350.
Nice.
Which one? 349 what?
53. I think it's from yesterday, but he's playing 350, so I think he's going to use that as his entry, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sir.
Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm gonna go 350 as well.
Where do you look for as your entry so people know different opinions here?
That's not crazy right now.
Maki, that shit's sexy, right?
Right at 96 cents.
Is it sexy?
It's beautiful.
Nah, you're not
Okay,
answering the
there's a
question.
difference between both the words, though. Alright, word Maki.
Like, what would you do if Tesla was a girl right now?
I might be focused on AMD.
All right, fine, brother. All right, guys, market's getting clapped again. Where's AMD? This is where I start paying.
You went over it.
Alright, let that one over my head, too. I don't know what the hell you're talking about now.
Shut up, Frankie. All right, 349.40. I'm gonna do 349.40 as my alert. The whole market getting smoked. Nvidia is still same range. Meta 751, nothing there for me. Please write your one down. You got any downside plays? Oh, flat bottom on Tesla at 343.60. Depends how the market gets there.
That doesn't look half bad.
Yeah, look at that.
On the 15 minutes, about to go red. She switch up on this
Yeah, I actually like that as well. But as long as it stays weaker than the market, you're slightly
Mhm.
ahead.
Because these blow off tops on Tesla can get nasty.
Aggressive, yeah. Right now, it just held up opening price. That's where it just bounced off of.
That's insane.
Damn, it's getting close. Should I switch that?
344.20 as of now.
340 what?
344.20.
That's where you would
So
enter?
it's yeah, so it's a little past the low of day, but I'm doing 20 cents to be a little safe because it could always reject there as well. So
I did mine
thank
at,
you for a low of day.
yeah, I put mine at 344.10.
That's like it is
Bless you.
holding up.
Yeah, Tesla's doing everything correctly here.
You know, so two people I see who are saying they are red. I need to ask, how do you get red on Tesla?
I'm watching QQQ calls. That's the setup there.
You watching for a bounce? Maki? Alright, good talk, bro.
Yeah, I didn't know how you guys are red. The contract for Nor's entry, I didn't even take it, but I was just watching it because that was going to be my entry on it. It's literally $100 contract from his entry. Never went red until this big pullback. So like, I don't understand, like, are you guys being greedy? Because you guys are for sure, that's a greediness right there, if I'm being honest. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah, let's just make sure we mention those kind of things about being greedy.
Maki, where are you looking to take these calls? Like when on a bounce or
70-37.
scan there, right?
Yeah, just with there. If it gets back above 570.35, I'm gonna take that call.
That's what I do. Exactly what Rocco said. If I'm not heavy on a trade, the most I'll ever let that trade go is break even. And that's probably 20% on Tesla,
I'm
right?
in QQQ long hard calls.
I don't think we're getting 170, George.
Target's 80 cents, right, Monkey?
Yeah, above 80. I honestly above high day because this is gonna easily break. The outlook is 80 cents, but probably see higher.
I'm liking this low here on Tesla, super weak here. You still like this norm, or you're in QQQ calls?
No, I couldn't switch fast enough.
Yeah, me neither. I couldn't switch either.
QQQ's about to do a big one, huh?
10 cents away from target.
My alerts, it's the same as Frankie's for now. 7 cents there, monkey.
Great. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. There we go.
There you go. Good shit. Good fucking.
5 cents from high.
Yeah, I'm waiting for high day. I'm not canceling it.
It broke.
Oh my god, no. Okay, Lucky.
That was tough.
Nice. That was a fucking spot on entry as well.
Shit.
Hopefully nobody set their rate on that.
It was the low to the downside at 343.60, so why do entry at 344.20? Because they're more likely to set up a wall, which would give us an extra push at 344 than set up a random wall at some random
Excel?
I hardly ever play.
Tesla is moving by itself.
I always play whole numbers. I hardly ever play levels by the cent. Or has it or even has a decimal. Like you'll never see me play like Tesla 348.40. Unless there's some sort of consolidation there, then most of the time I'm not playing those kinds of levels. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah.
Tesla is gone without the market there.
I'm only trading Tesla at yesterday's high, guys. That's the only area where I'm looking to trade. I understand that maybe even today's high day looks good, but because of how important 350 is, and usually these 50 levels on Tesla, they have a lot of significance on the stock itself. So I'm going to play it as safe as possible, and I think the safest entry that I can take on it is yesterday's high. That's not me saying 349 is bad, but for my own sake, because I haven't taken a trade yet, I'm still playing it safe. I had a good day yesterday, so there's no reason to throw it all the way on an early entry.
Yeah, you had a great day yesterday.
Yeah. I don't even take any extra risk. I just didn't think so.
Market's falling.
Big sell, George.
Yeah, that was a nice play, brother.
Actually, bro, it wasn't peak sell. You were 2 cents away. Yo, Ling Ling,
What up, bro?
speak up.
Alright.
Let me hear you. Analyze this for us. What's going on?
Currently, the market pulling back.
Okay.
Tesla had a nice little red to green there without the market
Nice.
doing anything.
Okay.
So, personally for myself, if we were to break high day and still show that continued divergence, I would personally be looking to bid us at 350. Or actually, yesterday's I just like 90 cents.
QQQ is getting smoked. Let's see what Tesla does here. I think they're gonna hold this up based on how the tape is roaming in here. We'll see. I see some big orders. QQ right back at low day. I mean, what is that? 40 cents off? No, well, yeah, like 40 cents. Here we go. Red to green on Tesla.
If NQ was ripping, Tesla would have been broken already.
Tesla, it's always on the days. It's always on the funny days, bro. I'm telling you.
NQ's sideways right now, and Tesla's trying to hold on to dear life.
There's a random 1 hour trend that it broke to the downside and it rejected there here. I don't think that's the significance of why it rejected, but it could be, so let's just keep an eye on that.
Consumer confidence at 10, 14 minutes away, so we got some time.
Plenty of time. Looks like we got 45 seconds here, guys. Have your alerts ready.
Do you think it goes?
Yeah, I would stay there. Or you could do 360s with Frankie there. Oh, it's technically the same.
I'm doing 355s.
Oh, okay. It's all the same shit.
It really is.
Especially with Tesla, that's why.
Just don't play the weird ones.
There's, oh yeah, the 5250s.
Yeah, like the 50s.
Yo, market through low of day.
The good thing about Tesla, even if we're on this for a while, is we have 2 ways to trade it. So
Yep. Yo, QQQ just had a solid candle through low of day, and Tesla held up there. Look at the difference between the two candles.
Bro, holy sh- if I got one that's greedy for 10 cents, I would have just moved.
yeah.
Tesla at high of day, 40 cents off, 30, 20. Holy, yo guys, just a heads up, I won't be able to signal Tesla because I'm still in from the first signal. But I could continue to add to this trade, we'll see. So Kevin or Frankie, you guys just gotta let them know where you're looking to add at. Or I mean, we take this at. Yo, QQQ.
I'm discussing what it's doing right now.
Yeah. Anything else holding up like Tesla? No, right?
I was looking at it, I was got close, and look down.
Nah, I see Nvidia at
Nah,
179.
everything's red on my watch.
Alright, but perfect.
The only thing that's like hardly red is Nvidia, but Nvidia's not even at 184. So
This is where traders start, or investors in general, start looking at what's holding up against the market. Or what, 20 minutes in, and it could be a rotation from these other stocks into Tesla because of this. We'll see how far QQQ drops, but for right now, this is where Tesla's going to get the attention, especially if it's able to get above that high again, 348.50. We'll see. We're only, what, 40 cents away? Yeah, there it goes, 348. Let's see if it's going to hold there. I think it's that 1 hour trend again. Yeah, it's right at that 1 hour trend. Watch the tape. You'll 100% be able to tell just off times and sales. Yeah, oh, big orders coming in. There it goes. New high. Obviously, I'm still in. I haven't sold a dime from the Tesla signal, but I can't signal anything right now because I'm still in this trade. But Frankie said he's going to take this right around 349.50 into 350. But if you're looking for an in and out trade, since you had that big trade in the morning, you could wait for like 349.80, for example, and then just play the scalp at 350 if you'd like. There's different
if you
ways.
want to play it safe, just wait till then.
Yeah.
Because 349.50 is playing there early. That is an early entry. But to me, that's a safe entry. Because I can afford to take that risk.
Have you taken any trades?
I'm break even, brother. I am flat.
Like, did you take any trades though?
Oh, no trades, yeah.
Oh, cash. We got news, what, in 8 minutes?
Yeah.
That's fun. Mock, you're not looking at anything, right? Or are you?
I was looking at this, but there's news and I don't want to pull through it and stuff.
News. Oh, wow. Tesla. Yo, guys, Tesla just... Bro, I'm debating if I should add with you guys at that level, but I gotta see where we're at on QQQ. It's annoying.
What's the news, Monkey?
Consumer something.
Consumer confidence, I believe, is what someone said.
I hope it's bad. Bad is good.
Bad equals good in this market, really.
Alright, here we go. 20 cents from new high again. $0.30. Where are these contracts at? $6, $6.15. Alright, here we go. $0.20. Market pulled back. Let's see. Tesla looks like it's about to happen. How many times is it about to happen though? All right, I'm gonna add with you guys at Frankie when you get in. So I put my alert at 349.40.
That's exactly where my alert's at.
All right. Yo, you know what we should do though? Change it from the ask to change it from the mark to ask. I changed it to the ask. Because mark means it could get right through 53 by the time it hits our alert. Big market pullback again. Maki's looking at puts. Not really the best line of events here coming up. Maki, you know what you need to do in about 3 minutes, please.
I think the news has the overtime here. Whatever the news does, that's
Not over you. You and Frankie together,
Wow.
we'd be at 354 right now. Are you guys gonna play this?
Yeah, Mike, this is your mentor?
You from the first one? Oh, you're a savage. I like how you're sitting right now, like nothing's bothering you. Shit ain't nothing, right?
Says it's still working. I was looking for the first trade.
Am I only trading Tesla if the news comes out? If it hits my alert, if the news pumps every single stock and I see Tesla push up to my alert, yes. I understand the risk that goes behind it. I'll probably just have to maybe cut on my contracts a little because of it, but I would still be trading.
It's getting too close, man.
Yeah.
Like for some news to be right around the corner, this is pretty close. At least we have some breathing room, because even if it pops like $1 from here, we're at 349.
Can you draw a trend line from the bottom?
I don't know. I've been staying on a 30-minute candle this whole time.
Yeah, you can. But it's really steep though. I'm usually not a fan of these trend lines.
The 1 minute probably looks disgusting, no?
Yeah, it is.
I haven't looked at it one time.
I just have to screenshot and look at it.
Hold up. I can't because I gotta signal this.
Yeah, don't worry.
Wait, actually I can. There's time. Oh shit. That's not good. All right, market's pulling back. Where's Tesla? 347.60, 347.70. How much time until news? Oh, exactly about a minute right now. Uh-oh. 40 seconds. This can get spicy. Is there anything else that... No, right? No.
I looked, there's nothing, bro.
Alright. We're not being biased. I just want to...
Yeah, it's nothing.
At least we have downside ready as well.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think it'd be the worst thing. I mean, it would suck for you. Because it's not hearing calls, but
Figure it
at
out.
least we haven't bladed that downside on Tesla.
5 seconds. 1. News.
Does it do anything?
About to find out.
It did nothing.
I wouldn't say that just yet.
This is the first time I would ever see news react late.
It just takes a second for them to digest some numbers. Let me look at it myself, actually. Yeah, it just came in. 97.4 versus 97.2. Estimated 90. Okay. It's pretty just in line. This is fine. Oh, there it goes. That's the news, baby. Run it.
That's not the news, that's Maki right there.
Oh, shit. Ling Ling, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
Alright. Are you green today?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Nice.
little bit.
Just a tad bit.
We're
I used to say that as a young jit too, Kev.
Yo.
A jit, right? You never heard of jit?
He's from Florida too, which makes no sense.
The junior in training.
Yo.
Rapper be saying it, so I know it's not an Indiana thing.
You still are that. Right.
Yeah. At least with us, the trading, you know.
No,
I'm still one.
he's young. Alright, Tesla won't be signaled until 344 10 on the lower side, and then the upside it'll be signaled at 349.40. So we're in the middle of both right now. So you guys can take your hand off the mouse.
No, honestly, you probably do. I want to be able to tell you to do it and it happens, right? I can't control the market, but the way Tesla's moving, I think he can.
George, the Q calls.
Say that again?
Q calls. I sent the target and stuff.
Where's your entry?
It passed because it happened with the news, but I'm just letting the news digest and seeing if it stays here.
Yeah, why do you guys do North dirty?
So what, so are you're still waiting then, right?
Yeah, I'm about to take the entry for a KQ. So then I'm basically like 20 cents late.
Apple has pulled insider talks about buying Mistral and Perplexity.
Wow.
I took the Q calls.
Apple did nothing off of the.
I mean, the other companies will.
Oh yeah, for sure. Apple's too big for that.
Alright, here comes QQQ that Maki's in.
Tesla below 346.
Yeah, we could probably get that low side at 344.
Opening price is pretty much 345.
Yeah. By the time that holds below, we should be able to get that entry pretty quickly after that.
Contracts I would be looking at, guys, is 340s.
Yeah.
My target would be past that through that flat bottom we have, which is, let's see, back level. Like 340, 360, past that would be my target. I'm just gonna feel how Tesla's moving past that. If I end up being right on that, then that's probably gonna be my only trade on the day. Unless Tesla comes back way later.
So can we dump Tesla to chill out? It's dragging everything with it.
Apple dropping? No.
Your stop is 10 cents.
570, 10 cents, yep. So 1 cent below that, I'll be out. No exception. QQ is holding up well. That's good. I'll be able to raise my stop loss soon. So once we break high day, that stop will be raised to break even.
You good over there, brother?
That's that shit. Oh shit.
I heard my name, what happened?
I heard someone die and asked if they were good.
No, I left the room. Probably so.
We made it too, man.
Zo, huh?
We made it too.
Where'd I get that from?
You.
Did I just open that shit? I was saving that.
You gave it to me, man. Oh, what the hell? That bitch, I'll put you around with you.
Here comes QQ. Once you break down his hands, it should be a wrap.
I see it. Oh shit. Nice,
Target
Mikey.
south of 27 guys. I'm still in. I have to hold the target. I can't sell early.
Now you have.
You're raising your stop, right?
I'm raising my stop to break even area. So like 570, 50 area.
I bet. Come on in.
I'll just set an alert exactly at 50 cents. 570, 50 cents. If it comes back down there, I'll stop.
I bet. I haven't sold anything either.
it looks like a red flag here. There's 5 more cents that I'm selling. I sold. Break even trade. The target was so close. That's crazy.
1 cent off, no?
Yeah, it's like 2 cents away from breaking 20 cents.
We might get that Tesla downside. It's still just playing in the same area.
At this point, I don't know what we're getting on Tesla.
Yeah, I don't know. It's right in the middle.
Yeah, it's just doing whatever.
It's gonna shake, folks.
Pause.
That's crazy. I heard that.
They're gonna shake it to the max.
Green to red on QQ. Good sell for Maki.
But I feel like I'm playing with fire today. Every time, like if I'm not spot on with the sell, I might get cooked. That's twice in a row now.
That was a great sale, bro. Great sale. I was thinking about selling half above 571, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna hold it.
I wanted to do that so bad, but then
Nah, it don't make sense. You're right.
yeah, it didn't make sense.
Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship seeing your face. It means we're gonna freaking work out.
Full body workout, everything like that.
Look at this 12 minutes for Tesla to come down
What we
here.
doing?
Yeah.
On full body today?
Yeah, me too. 10:30 is my cutoff time.
Maybe next week I get active with you. Next week? Yeah. I start working out, it's gonna get dark for a couple people. I'm saying? Yeah, look at that shit. So good.
Does that work? You feel it?
He's just smoking some. Nice deal.
QQQ.
Yeah, I really like that. I really like that shit.
Shit, trying to play games, huh, Monkey?
But no cap.
Keep talking about profits.
You said what?
Keep took my profits.
Oh, you tried it?
Ah,
I missed it.
yeah. I'm up $9 for that.
How much were you up before that? Bless you. 300?
Yeah.
Wait, did you catch the first one or second one?
First one, I scalped it.
So how'd you take a loss?
What you mean?
You took
I
a.
wanted to touch on the low for QQ.
Oh, wait, you took on the first QQQ you took a loss? Or just now you just took a loss?
Just now.
Oh, that's the second one.
Oh. Can't wait till Friday come.
The fuck is Friday?
I just got my hair done.
Yo. You gonna play that song?
Yeah. Got Bobby and shit too like that. Nah, I'm not getting no blow. I'm getting my hair done.
Yeah, why is it fake hot?
Why does it feel like we got fucking 100-degree sun smacking?
It's not even touching me.
Sitting in the boiling pot, bro.
You saw the chat this morning? I'm on the street, brother. If you have asthma, leave the room. God damn.
Who's talking like that? Who said that?
Yo. Kevin. Yo, a kid in the chat named Ryan said, "Tell him to leave the fucking room. He's so fucking loud."
Or you gotta tell that nigga mind his business, cuz. Tell him that's how
Ryan,
people
he
get
said
hurt.
he's leaving right now.
That's how people get hurt, talking like that. Tell him to drink.
Nah, nobody said.
Tell him to drink. You want to see the raunchy sauce?
Yeah, nobody said that.
I know. You want the nigga or the nigga raunchy?
All right, QQQ is going, and then Tesla's trying to push here. Looks like it's created a base. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Kevin, you still here?
Yeah, right here.
What do you plan on doing, buddy?
I'm kind of mentally close. I don't really have anything.
Whoa! What the fuck were you about to say?
I'm out of here, son. I didn't say nothing, bro.
You said you were mentally what?
No, nothing. Don't worry about it.
Yo, George, what are we doing about Kev?
I don't know, guys. He was about to say mentally drained.
No, I did not say that.
You didn't-
Looking for him.
I told him I was getting attention. I heard.
No, I was gonna say I'm not a one voice.
Don't do it just yet.
Yo, what's crazy is that, yeah, Benjamin, you're still here?
Yeah, I've been trading in the front yard of the hotspot, bro. Shit, some bullshit.
Damn, white chocolate. Sounds like you're going through it this morning.
Ah, bro, it's Xfinity, bro. I hate them.
Wait, are you in the sun?
I was, yeah.
That's interesting. What are you trying to?
Like the shade.
Are you trying to look like a tomato? It's not like you get a tan or anything. You ever got darker in the summer, Benji?
Nah, I just kind of burned, honestly, bro.
Fuck QQQ. Now it decides it wants to go. Tesla, you got 11 minutes, right, George?
Yeah, I'm gonna give this 11 minutes, and then if it's not remotely close to anything, I'm walking away.
Echoing. But está bien, está bien.
Sí, sí, muchacho.
Is that Benji? Is that Benji?
Benji, mute your ass. It's one of the nerds. You would think the nerds would figure that out quick, huh? Yo, QQQ pulled back and Tesla's ripping. Muchacho.
That was fake news on, that was cap, Maki?
Bro, just like that pull was cap.
What happened?
And you know what's crazy, George?
Wait, what does that mean?
Yeah.
What else is it?
Oh, I didn't know that.
This is the crazy part, George. Look at the stop loss level.
Yeah,
The original stop.
yeah.
We're happy though. Alright, bro, let's hurry the fuck up. Either give us upside or downside. I don't care. Give us some action. Like, I looked around, there's nothing. Might have had some weird movement here, but it's nothing here for me. 8 minutes left. Five minutes, George.
Yes, sir.
6, but Frankie, are you sticking around longer than that?
Yeah,
So you would text us if it got close.
yeah. If it's gonna stay stuck here, I will just go run an errand that I need to run quickly.
Might get this downside, Frankie.
Bro, hopefully. If this consolidation, like this bottom here was close to 345, I probably would have made that my entry. Like this low right here.
Yeah.
This local low.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I was thinking about it.
Yeah, it's just like if it was close, I for sure would, but I'm not.
HUD seems stuck. What does that mean?
For the stock itself is stuck.
That's what I'm trying to, that's what I was getting at. I was just taking it one step at a time, Mike, and then, you know, do a little,
Deal.
thinking here, critical thinking here a bit.
But there's no price action today, it's just price.
Yo.
Yo.
That's where I was going with it, Mikey. Sometimes you gotta let them answer, bro. Let them do a little critical thinking.
Does that make sense though, Lucas?
Same thing, brother. Same thing. So if everything's not moving in anywhere, just consolidating, like Mikey said, it's just, there's no action. No action, no volatility, no movement. It's Tuesday. Now, if it was Friday, things may be dying out just because on both sides. But it's Tuesday, you still got a little bit of time. I think AMD is very far from me, Zach. Got 2 minutes here to decide. Big Tesla below 346.
Wait, why are you calling IB, Kevin?
Oh, the level 2 is like, okay, just move over properly.
Oh yeah, yeah, all of that.
Yeah, bro, it's been like over a week and a half.
Wait, it's been like that? It hasn't gone away?
Oh yeah, no, it's happened to Benji and I in the past. You literally just gotta call them. You can't even do it on your end. Like they gotta reset like your data packages or some shit.
That's so
Yeah.
stupid.
You call them right now, it literally gets fixed right away.
Oh, that's who was out there.
That's Ian, man.
I just keep hearing that shit over and over.
He wasn't just out there.
Hmm?
He wasn't just out
Yeah,
there.
when that's what I'm saying.
not Ian.
It's the cats.
I don't know.
It gotta be. It's not that door was just open.
Does yeah, I wouldn't be too upset about it because that is a big struggle even for inexperienced traders. I'll use me as an example, where on days like this, I'm flat. And that's because I've been sticking to my plan and I know there's just no good setups and it's not worth me trying anything, even if it's just like, even if it's like a one-to-one scout, right? These are the days where if I'm like just trying stuff out or like just telling myself, oh, this scalp looks good, I'll try this right here. Those are the days that hurt me. Some days I do really well, being disciplined, other days I don't. This is one of the days where I'm doing really well, following my plan, and I'm waiting for specific areas to meet what I'm waiting for. And it's a struggle for all levels of traders. It happened to Nor yesterday, taking early entries, he said it on his stories, so just because it happened to you, it doesn't mean that it can happen to anybody else. It's good to acknowledge it now. The best advice I can give is literally just follow your plan. And just understanding what you're comfortable with. So like today, or I'll use yesterday as an example, I texted our group chat and said the market's looking like ass. And Ian said, that's like the 4th time I've said that in a row. And it's true, it's just the market hasn't had any like solid, actual good setups at all. So it's not worth, one, sizing up during a market where there's no good setups, and two, to be aggressive. It's just your turn to be defensive, wait for all right setups to show up, wait for the market divergence to be there, and then you execute. So that is, I would say that like once you are consistently profitable, those are the days you struggle. Those are going to be days where most traders struggle still. Because like I said, it still happens to me. Because I'm not perfect on those days. I told you. Some days I do really well, like today, and other days I don't. So. You gotta let it be a lesson and then just move on, learn from it, and make sure it doesn't happen again.
That is it for me, ladies and gents. You have a good one.
How dare you, George?
Don't start the shit. So if you got something right now, not in 30,000 hours.
Shit, I made it, and then I lost it on QQQ.
And you know how Mikey B, It's gonna take about 3 hours, but it's coming.
I don't know, George. Or not Meta. Tesla. I stay around.
You're right, I actually just logged off, but I'm looking at it on my iPad. That's like legitimate.
I mean, I consider Tesla close at this point.
Alright. I'm
not saying, so I don't want to make you stay computer
I'll
on.
do a couple things here that I need to prep. If it's not close,
I'll
then
text
the
you.
next. Yeah, just text me.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, nothing's happened. I'm still here.